Today we're going to be manifesting an extra $10,000, starting on the side of the hand. Let's take a nice deep inhale together. Exhale. Even though I want an extra $1,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I need an extra $1,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me doubts that I can have an extra $1,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. I want extra money. I need it. $1,000. That would really help. I feel relief when I think about an extra $1,000 falling into my lap. With the taxes handled, all the fees are handled, $1,000 in my pocket, in my bank account, an extra $1,000 in my hands. I can do a lot of good with it. I can pay some bills. I can buy groceries. I could spend it on myself. I can do a little bit of everything. $1,000. That's nothing to the universe. Literally pennies. The universe is made up of money. Because money is energy. I am energy. Therefore, I am money. And I'm giving myself the permission to align with an extra $1,000. Feeling how easy, how simple that is for the universe. For me. Because we are connected. I have activated an extra $1,000 in my quantum field. And it feels really good. I am ready and excited in body, mind, and spirit. Take a nice deep breath in. Now, please leave me your questions if you have any about this session. Leave me any comments that you have about how you felt or any results that you have afterwards. These meditations are really popular because they work. Get really clear on what you want and just keep working on it. If this session made you feel good in one day, imagine how great you can feel in a week, in a month. keep working on these things and it will work for you. Okay, keep going. You got this.